You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is d equals 88. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 22 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the d. Divide both sides by negative 0.1875. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is d equals 88.